Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hey boo, was goody, and if this is not, thank you so much for returning. So in this video, I'm going to be starting a live journey with you guys. So I'm going to be starting my project 60. Now if you don't know what project 60 is, it's basically 60 days of new habits, new goals, a new lifestyle, new routines, everything brand new, baby. Okay, so I'm really excited, and I was watching Sammy Clark's video on how to get back on track, and one of the things she said was accountability. I don't think I have anyone in my life right now that I can, go on this journey with. So I decided to go on it with you guys. So you guys will keep me accountable for everything, the new habits I want to form, the things I want to change, and I will be very open and transparent with you guys about everything, documenting my journey, difficulties, progress, everything with you guys. So hi, I'm Adiah. I don't think I said that. And welcome back to my channel. Okay, it's not too late to change your life, period. Hey guys, so I just wanted to tell you guys about this recipe really quickly. Now this was my first time trying it. I think I saw it on YouTube and I wanted to check it out. So everything was good except the pineapples. Guys, don't put pineapples. I personally don't like it. I won't try it again. I would probably just use another fruit, but besides that, I enjoyed the oat. It was really good. So for me, accomplishing little tasks every day has been a big thing for me, and I'm really happy that I get to put this into my everyday routine, because it just sets you off on the right path for the day. And I'm really excited to put this in every day and just make this a habit. One of the habits by far that I'm trying to build is cleaning after myself every single day. One of the goals I have for myself for this next 60 days is eating good food. Like, I'm not talking processed, I'm talking healthy. And I must say, I really commend myself. This is really quick, easy, and you don't have to spend too much time. I also like to take citrus water, so you can either be lemon or lime. But overall, your body just feels good. Like, after this meal, I felt so full, but like in the right way, not like in the I just ate a lot of shit way. And I really liked how my body felt. This is something that I'm really working on: eating clean, eating good food, eating clean food, and so far it's been working out so great. So I highly recommend. I'll be doing a what I eat in a week intermittent fasting, because I am intermittent fasting, which means 1 meal a day. But I'll be doing a video like that soon, so let me know if you're interested. My hair looks so cute. I feel like natural hairstyles look good on me, but I don't really use natural hair. Like just carrying my hair like this looks nice. But you look really cute. I woke up this morning with, I don't know if you guys can see that, but you see how hair is like, you see the difference? I don't know what that's about.
Very concerned because whatever he has planned, this is only the very beginning.
Here's the info.
Hey guys, good evening. This is me checking in with you guys for this video. So I've been having a really good week. Today is Monday, like in terms of like my new habits and you know just the changes I wanted to make. However, I am having challenges and the two main things that I'm finding a bit difficult are waking up early and working out. So we're waking up early. I don't wake up late. Like I don't wake up late because I have to go to work. But like I would like to wake up around like 5:30, but I wake up around 6:30, 7. You know? So it's like that's the, and the thing is that I actually go to bed early. I go to bed by 10:30 because that's my bedtime. But then when it gets cold, I just want to stay in bed more. So that's the problem. And then the other thing is working out. Friend, I work out in my head, but not in real life. So that's like I don't know. So we're gonna try that to be more consistent in that, to actually start, even be honest, this week. However, for reading and eating healthy, I've been perps to myself. So for reading, I've actually been reading, like the plan is to finish this book so I can actually buy a book I want, because this book was actually given to me by my boss to read. So yeah. And then for the eating, so I've been intermittent fasting. So I did a video before this one about intermittent fasting. So I intermittent fasted for a week and like I recorded, so now I'm just like continuing it because that's what I used to do. So I'm just getting back into that and having one meal a day. My preferred meal to have is dinner, and then throughout the day I drink water and then I take tea, like green tea. So that's what I've been doing and I've been consistent in that all week. So pat on the back. So we win some, we lose some. So I guess it's going to be the end of this video. I don't know, man. So yeah, so those are my struggles for the first week. I'm trying not to be too strict on myself just because I want to build the habits gradually and be more be consistent, rather than giving myself 7 new habits to develop at once and then at the end of the week I feel exhausted. Oh yeah, I don't know if I mentioned, but Saturday and Sunday were my rest days. So even though I did eat healthy, I didn't go to bed early though, and I didn't read, just to like, you know, just to give myself some time. So yeah, so I did want to put that in, that I did give myself rest days so I don't tire myself out. So yeah, I guess that's going to be the end of this video. And then today is Monday, but I will start filming tomorrow. So yeah, I'm really happy I'm filming this, just because, you know, I feel like it's good. I didn't talk throughout the video, but I will do a voiceover, so that's good, just to take you guys through everything that has happened this past week. So yeah, I guess that's it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, baby. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love and light.